Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Affirm financing offers for higher average order value step by step clearly. To activate Affirm financing offers for higher average order value, start by logging into your merchant account. Navigate to the settings section of your dashboard. Look for the payment options tab. Select Affirm from the available payment providers. If you don't see Affirm, you may need to enable it through your integrations marketplace. Once selected, click on the Activate button. You will be prompted to create or log in to your Affirm account. Provide any necessary business information required for verification. After verification, you'll return to the Settings section. Now, you can customize the financing options to fit your business needs. Set the desired financing terms, such as repayment periods and interest rates. Next, ensure you enable promotional offers if available within the Affirm settings. Test the integration by navigating to your storefront. Add a product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Look for the Affirm financing option at the Payments section. Select it to see how it's presented to your customers. Make any necessary adjustments based on this preview. Once satisfied, save all settings. To enhance customer awareness, consider adding a banner or pop-up about Affirm financing. Monitor the performance via your analytics dashboard to gauge it. With these steps completed, you're ready to start attracting higher average order values using Affirm financing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.